I used to be a hero when my kid was small. Walking on water, I could do no wrong. Those eyes looked up at me with total respect, the absolute authority on all subjects. Now suddenly my clothes are uber uncool, and all my good advice is so nursery school. I'm ancient and outdated, my brain is mush, and even my old Beatles records suck. Yeah, yeah, little hands that used to reach up to me. Yeah, yeah, now they're reaching for my wallet and keys. The little baby that I held in my arms, beep, 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 yeah, is driving my car. Well, I'm knocking on the door to my kid's bedroom, trying to figure out how to use iTunes. My phone starts buzzing away on my belt. Text message reads, "Dad, do it yourself." From a pacifier and a goodnight kiss, penny in the water for a special wish, to a driver's license and gas money, and how it ever got here is a mystery. Yeah, yeah, little hands that used to reach up to me. Yeah, yeah, now they're reaching for my wallet and keys. The little baby that I held in my arms, beep, 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 yeah, is driving my car. Oh no, no, beep, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. Oh, my kid's growing up, I can't ignore. It'll only be worse when I'm 64. Yeah.